Hey everybody, Scott here from Camco. Today I'm going to tell you how to replace your thermostats on your water heater. Here's what you're going to need. Replacement thermostats, replacement plastic terminal protectors, a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a multimeter, a pen, sticky notes, a thermometer, and some sort of heat-resistant cup or mug. The first thing you need to do is shut off the power to your water heater. Put a note on the breaker to prevent the breaker from accidentally being turned on. Now it's time to remove your thermostats. Let's start with the upper thermostat. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, remove the access cover and remove the insulation. Then remove the plastic terminal protector and discard it. Before disconnecting the wires, you should use a multimeter to make sure the power is off. It's a good idea to take a picture of the wires or label them to remember where to reconnect them. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, loosen the screws to disconnect the electric wires. Once that's done, slide the thermostat out of the bracket. Place the new thermostat into the bracket. Make sure the thermostat fits firmly against the tank. Then you want to inspect the wiring. Assuming there isn't any corrosion on the wiring, you're going to connect the electric wires to the new thermostat, then firmly tighten the screws to secure the wiring. Then you're going to install the new plastic terminal protector. Keep in mind that these thermostats are adjustable, so if needed you could use a flathead screwdriver to adjust to the desired temperature, but ours are preset to 120 degrees so we won't need to adjust it. Now carefully replace the insulation and access cover. Follow the exact same steps for the lower thermostat. Remove the access cover, remove the insulation, remove the plastic terminal protector and discard it, take a picture or label the wires, disconnect the electric wires, slide the thermostat out of the bracket, place the new thermostat into the bracket, inspect the wiring, connect the wires to the new thermostat and firmly tighten the screws. Install the new plastic terminal protector, and again you can adjust the temperature if needed, and replace the insulation and access cover. All you have to do now is turn the power back on and check your water temperature. Then you're good to go. So that's all there is to it. Hope this video was helpful in explaining how to replace your water heater thermostats. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below or email us at info@camco.net. And thank you for watching.
Camco.net.